Hello and welcome to Mahati English School. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. I myself, Mrs. Asma Marfani. This is the class of Standard 1. Right now we are going to learn subject maths. Thought for the day is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Okay, first of all, before starting the lecture, we will make revision of the previous lecture, that what we had learned in our last lecture. In last lecture, we have learned add the following, in which we have learned how to add the numbers, as well as we had become familiar with adding zero, in which we learned if we add 0 to any of the number, we will get the same number at the end. We also learned adding 1, in which we have learned that if we add 1 to any of the number, then we will get after number of that number. After that, we have learned about number combination. Okay, so what's new for today? You might have a question in your mind, then what we are going to learn today? Okay, we will make revision of yesterday's lecture, which is add the following. After that, we will learn add using number strip or number line, in which we will learn how to add the numbers with the help of number strip or number line. Okay, so as you have seen, this is the picture in which what we have to do. Okay, draw the lines to match the addition picture. This is the picture of addition to the sum and the answer. As you have seen in the very first picture, that there are present two aeroplanes, plus 1, 2 and 3. As you have seen in here, that this is the sum 2 plus 3, which we have to match with the product or answer, which is 5. Okay, so let's start our practice. 1, 2 and 3. 3 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our sum is 3 plus 4. Okay, look at the another column, my dear. Where you have seen 3 plus 4? Yes, it is here. 3 plus 4. What will be the answer of that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, next is 1, 2, 3, 4, means 4 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 plus 4. Find it out where it is. I know you can do it easily, my dear. Yes, here it is 4 plus 4. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is it okay? Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 2. Where it is present on the screen? Yes, it is here. Match it with it. 4 plus 2. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the answer. The last is, count it together with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 plus 5. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5. Answer is 10. Is the topic clear? Keep this thing in your mind, huh? This will be helpful in next exercise. These both exercises are connected. Look at this picture, my dear. Yes, you have seen the fruits, huh? Some insects, but beautiful butterfly, flowers, animals. What they are doing in the maths? That will be helpful to you while counting the numbers. Look at this. This is 1 plus 2. So we have the figure of given number. Have you learned the place value? That 1, then you have to draw 1, 2, then you have to draw. I know that you all are familiar with this. How this will become helpful to you while adding? We have to count all the numbers together. Okay. So 1 plus 2. What it will be? 1, 2 and 3. What will be the answer? 1, 2 and 3. Note down it in your book. This is number 3. Now next is 1 plus 3. Okay, now count all the figures together. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the answer? 4. Write down it here. Next number is 1 plus 4. There is a picture of butterflies. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, write down it in a box. Next is 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Have you noticed something while doing this sum? Have you remembered anything? In last lecture, I told you that whenever you add 1 to any of the number, you will get same number as a result. Sorry, you will get after number of that. So, if you are going to add 4 to 1, then what is the answer? 5, which is the after number of 4. Okay. So, this is a nice revision for you. Next is 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The answer is 5. Yesterday I told you that if we reverse the number, if we change the position of the number, then answer will be same. Look at here. This is 1 plus 4. Here we have 4 plus 1. Is the answer same? Okay. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Both answers are same. So we can say that if we change the order or position of the number, the answers will be same, as I told you in previous lecture. Okay, while learning new things, definitely make revision in your mind about previous lectures also. Okay. Oh, what a beautiful picture of balloons. Okay, look at this. These are the beautiful balloons. Why balloons are here? Look, my dear students. Now what we have to do? We have to count it on a new way. How? That this is 4 and these balloons are drawn here to make you help while counting. How can it will be helpful to you? Look, if the 4 is present there, then here there are 4 balloons plus 2 more balloons. To start counting after number 4. After 4 there will come 5 and 6. So our answer will be 6. Our next sum is 6 plus 1. If we add 1 to 6, what will happen? If you have seen that this is the picture of 6 balloons. Wants to check it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 after 7. Our answer is number 7. Next sum is 5 plus 2. If you have seen that 5 balloons are present over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have to add 2 more. 5 after 6 and 7. Next sum is 3 plus 3. This is number 3. So count the balloons. 1, 2 and 3. Plus 3 more. 4, 5 and 6. What's new in this sum? This is 4 plus 0. Have you remembered that in previous lecture we have discussed that if we add 0 to any of the number, we will get the same number as a result. 4 plus 0. Here is 4 balloons. We are not going to add any of the balloon to that. Then what will happen? We will get the same answer. Okay. Now 6 plus 3. These are the 6 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to add 3 more. 7, 8 and 9. Our answer is number 9. Next sum is 7 plus 3. Look at this picture. These are 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By adding 3 more, 8, 9 and 10. This is number 10. So this will be helpful to you while counting the numbers, while making addition. My dear students, make practice of addition at your home. As I told you previously, that addition will become more and more helpful in day-to-day life. Okay, so definitely make practice about that at your home with the help of your parents. I'll give you worksheets for that, and also in next lecture inshallah we will make more practice about addition. So have you seen this picture? What we have to do in this picture? Look, these are some sums, and here we don't have any figures. Do we have any figures? Then what should we do? We should first keep this number in our mind, that this is number 2 and we have to add 3 more to it. Then we should start counting after number 2. Okay, how? Let's see. This is 2. 2 plus 3. 2 after 3, 4 and 5. Answer will be 5. Now we have to make calculation orally. Okay. Now 3 plus 3. First we have the number 3. Keep it with you in your mind, that 3. 3 after 3 more. 4, 5 and 6. Our answer will be 6. Now we have the sum 4 plus 3. So keep the number 4 in your mind, that there is 4 and you are going to add 3 more. 4 after 5, 6, 7. What will be the answer? It will be number 7. Now 5 plus 3. Keep 5 number in your mind, then add 3 more to it. 5 after 6, 7 and 8. Our answer will be 8. Now next sum is 6 plus 3. Now keep number 6 with you. Keep number 6 in your mind. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 will be answer. Now in the starting of the lecture we have discussed that today we will learn adding using number strip. So what is number strip? What is number line? How can it be useful to us while addition? As we have just completed addition with the help of pictures, with the help of figures, orally calculation, and this is the new thing, number line. What is it? And how it become helpful to us while addition? Let me explain. Look at the picture. This is called number line or number strip. There we have the numbers 0 to 10. Look my dear students, this is our first step, so that we are going to learn with the help of numbers line till 10 only. But we can try it with more and more numbers, infinite numbers, 20, 30, 40. But right now we will make practice with this 0 to 10 numbers only. Okay, in this what we have to do? No, this is 6 plus 1. So first of all what we have to do? We have to find out number 6 on the number strip. Where is number 6? Then here is number 6. Reach till number 6. Then 6 plus, we have to move one step. 6 plus 1. So move one step forward on the right side of given number. I would like to repeat this sentence, that you have to move one step forward. As this is 6 plus 1, so only one step. On which side? On the right side of the given number. Okay, 6 plus 1. In our language we can say that you have to make jump one step forward. At which number you reach? It is number 7. So it will become our answer. Our next sum is 1 plus 5. So what should we do? First of all, find out number 1 on the number strip. Here it is. Stand there. And how many steps you have to move forward? 5. Let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where we reach? We reach at number 6. This is our answer. Next is 2 plus 8. Now what should we do? Find out number 2 first of all. Where it is present on the number line? Find it out. If possible, draw the number strip in your book with me. I am waiting for you. Okay, find out number 2. Where is number 2? Yes, here it is, number 2. Now what should we do? Move 8 steps forward on the right side of given number, as our sum is 2 plus 8, or make 8 jumps. Okay, so let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we reach? Where you stop? Which is that number? It is number 10. So it will our answer. Next is 1 plus 4. So what should we do? First of all, find out number 1 on the number strip. Where is number 1? So here is number 1. Okay, so stand there. After number 1, what should we do? We have to move 4 steps forward on the right side of given number. Let's do it. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where you stop? Where you reach? Yes, at the number of 5. So 5 is our answer. Next sum is 2 plus 6. So first of all, what should we do? Find out number 2 on the number strip. Where it is? Where is number 2? Yes, it is here. You are right. So move on number 2. Then how many steps we have to move forward? Is it 1? Is it 2? No, it is 6. So we have to move 6 steps forward on the right side of given number. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where we reach? We reach at number 8. So we have to write number 8 in the given box. So my dear students, this is the exercise of addition using number line. In next lecture we will make more practice about this also. Then we will move to our next topic. Summary of the whole lecture. What we have learnt today. Today we have first make revision of addition. Then we have learnt add using number strip. What you have to do now? It is your duty to make practice for these 2 exercises at your home with your parents, and of course by given worksheets. Definitely I am going to send you worksheets to make more practice about this. So you have to make practice with the help of your parents. And as I told you, in every lecture make practice of tables also. Learn table of 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and one more thing, don't trouble your mother at your home, my dear students. Bye bye. Hope you enjoy the lecture. Bye bye everyone.